Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk to you about how to set up your test sessions in the NWEA MAP system. Now, whenever we had our training here with the MAP people, they went into great detail about a lot of different things, but the one thing they really didn't go into was how to set up test sessions. And also they did not go into proctoring a test. So I'm going to be making two videos. This is the first of the two. This is how to set up a test session. So if you're teaching math in a course in a grade level that's being MAP tested, you're going to be wanting to watch this. And you might, whenever we come back to MAP later in the year, you might want to use this video as a review. If you're also an English teacher who is going to be doing the MAP, you also want to be watching this. So the first thing you need to do is go to the website, which is actually https://teach.mapnwea.org. And whenever you go there, you're going to want to put in your username and password. Now, whenever we initially put you into the MAP system, you should have gotten an email with your username and password. If you don't remember getting the email, you can just do a simple search in your email. So this is my email, and I did a search for NWEA MAP, and I found that the very first thing I ever got from MAP was this one, Welcome to NWEA's Measures of Academic Progress, which is MAP. Open it up. There's my username. That was my temporary password whenever I first signed up, and that's the login link again right there. So this is how you get this is where you find your password, and then it'll have you create your own whenever you first log in. If you cannot find this email with your password, then please email me and I can make sure that your account's okay, and I can assign you a temporary password as well. So first check for this email, and if you don't see it or you forget your password and you already set a new one, then let me know and I can reset that for you. Okay, so whenever you got your password, your username, and you're ready to log in, you just put that information in here, hit submit. Okay, there's a lot of information here. These are just help tutorials, but we're going to go straight into managing your test sessions. So that's right here on the left-hand side, manage test sessions. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to find students to test first. Now, as I'm making this video, we don't really have any King William High School students in this yet, but we do have some Hamilton Homes. So I'm going to show you using Hamilton Homes. So first you have to select your school, whether or not you're Cold Spring, Quentin, Hamilton Homes, or King William High School. You'll select the grade level. You can find your name under the instructors, or you can look through, if you don't select an instructor, so in case your name is missing, you can actually just hit all instructors and hit search. And it will bring up all of the 6th grade students. So if I have a subsection that I just want to test, first I'm going to unclick this button right here, and what this does is deselect them or select everybody. That's what that button does. So I'm going to say I'm going to test this person, this person. You can just go through your role. Simply just go through your role and select what students you're testing. All right, let's say I'm testing those kids. I'm going to add student. And some people freaked out because after they hit add students, that's all they see. You just need to scroll down, and there they are. So now I'm going to select this to select all the students. Again, the first block selects or deselects all. I'm going to hit Assign Test, and I'm going to select a test for them to take. So whether or not it's Math 6+, or if it's Reading 6+, you want to make sure you select one of those. Now, make sure you're not actually doing the skills checklists or anything like that, or the surveys. You need to make sure you're doing one of these. And not at the end, of course, because we're not there yet. All right, so once you did that, you're going to save the test session. Now, this is important. You want to make this as easy as possible because the kids are going to have to type this out whenever they're getting ready to test. So I would suggest naming it just your last name maybe and like the period number, and that's it. And save and exit. Okay, and that's it. Your test session is ready to go. If you want to edit that test session that you just made, still here on this page where you see Save Test Sessions, Show, click on that. If it was created by you, it should pop up right away. If it was created by somebody else, you can just search for them. And you can delete the session, edit the session, or test that session. So I'm going to edit, say, oh, I forgot a kid. So here's where I can add more students. Deselect. I forgot that one. So add that. All right, and now they're there in the list. Make sure you save it. And now I'm going to go ahead and delete the session, but that's how you create a test session. You're going to want to then create as many test sessions as you have. So now if you're creating a second test session, you just go back to find students to test. As you can see, there's none selected yet, so you just go through the same steps to create your second test session. All right, let me know if you have any questions about this part in particular. My next video will go through how to proctor a test. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.